why do I think the W123 Mercedes is the best car in the world? I'm going to explain it to you and just do a little drive with my girlfriend here. We're just enjoying the sun and driving a bit. Let's start it. And it runs. That's the first thing. That's the best of this car. It starts every time. Every time I try to start it, it starts up. And even with -5, -10 degrees, if the glow plugs are good, then then it starts every time. I think it isn't the most beautiful car, but I think also it is. But because this car is literally, when you ask a kid to draw a car, then you will get this simple, boxy, but yeah, it's doing its job and it's getting you to where you need. Sometimes people say less is more, but literally this is less is more. Look at the dashboard. It don't have much buttons, but yeah, it has everything that you need, and that's very nice about it. I can show you the outside of the car and explain to you why I love it. Yeah. So let me explain. Like I said, it is a pretty boxy car, but it's beautiful. Even the color. This is the famous taxi color. It has those beautiful chrome strip on it. Just there are little details, but enough to make it beautiful. Only the back bumper I've removed it because it was very rusty, and I fixed the rust. But I'm going to place it back when I finished working on this rust spots. So that's the only bad thing about these cars. Those cars, they are pretty rusty, and they rust a lot. Here you can. This is not a rusty spot, but these places are rusting pretty fast. Someone bumped into my door. That was a bad thing. But let me show you the engine. And even the door sounds, guys. It's such a reliable car. And even if you look at the engine, you can't. Yeah, if you don't love this sound, I don't know what's wrong with you then, but it's lovely. And the compression is a bit bad at this one, I think, but yeah, it's doing its job, and it's getting me to where I want to go. And even the hood, the engine hood, I don't know how to call it, but you can put it like this. That's pretty unique, right? Though you don't have that with every car, I think. But let's close it and hear how solid this closing sounds. That's pretty nice. I just really love this car. You can hear the exhaust sound a bit. It's not the best car for the earth, so because it's the diesel, I don't know how to call it, but yeah, if you put your hand under the exhaust, it will definitely get black in a few seconds. But I think this car is pretty I don't know, I don't have the right word for it, but you can
literally drive this car your entire life. So that's very efficient. You don't need a new car, I think. I want this car, this is my dream car, but in a station, a W123 or officially an S123 wagon. And then I want to drive it my entire life, never sell it. And that's my dream car. I like it, and yeah, I can't find it because they're pretty expensive. But if I have one, yeah, I'm going to enjoy it at so much. I think me and my girlfriend will travel with it. We have here, then we'll get a bed here to sleep on, and yeah, make the best memories a human can make, I think. But this car is beautiful also. It's in the famous taxi color, like I said, and the reason why they used it as taxis so much is because it was so reliable. It's easy to work on it, and yeah, if there's something wrong with this car, with the engine, what's probably there's almost nothing. there is
almost never something wrong with it.
Yeah, that was what I wanted to say. My English is pretty bad, but everything is mechanical. Everything. Mm-hmm. And in a new car, everything is electric, and almost it's you drive an electric box on wheels. I don't like that. I don't. I like this, and that it is mechanically unbreakable, and I love it. I'm curious, what car do you drive, guys? Do you have a W123 too? Or are you searching for it? I'm curious. And what's your dream car? Let me know in the comments. I think I don't like this car passing me right now. That was a Tesla, guys. I think a Tesla will not survive as long as this car will.
I know that for sure.
Yeah.
That's not even a question.
Even in Africa, you see these cars still driving 40 years. Since they were produced 40 years ago, and they're still driving in Africa, in Spain, here in Europe. Still, after 40 years, guys, that's pretty unique. The only thing that's killing these cars is rust, and yeah, it's how do I say it? It's not good for the earth. That's the only bad thing. But yeah, like I said, it's efficient, and you don't need to buy a new car your entire life. So that's good for the earth, I think. But yeah. And I think this car is pretty safe also, because I've drifted it, and it has rear drive. It's rear drive. I don't know how to call it, but yeah, it's not slipping away that easy. I thought it was slipping away easier, but yeah, I think you can drive with it. If you're a good driver, you can easily drive with it. But I think anyone can drive with this. And even this is an automatic, but I prefer a manual, so you can do everything by yourself. I like that, but yeah, I like both, I think. Yeah. You can put it in the sport mode. I don't know if it's called sport, but there's an S. I don't know where it stands for, but if you put it in that, then it will go a little higher in RPM, and you can pull up a bit faster.
Okay, pull up.
The only bad thing about this car is then it's very slow. But it's not a bad thing. You don't need to hurry in this car, and that's making me happy, I think, because you don't have to hurry, and
You never hurry.
you never hurry in this
No,
car.
you never hurry.
No.
Even without the car.
Yeah. I'm always late.
Yeah. And
But that's not because this car is slow.
no, because he is just late.
Yeah. But
And I don't like being late.
oh,
So I'm always very stressed, and he's like, no, chill.
but you don't have to hurry.
Sometimes
Okay.
I do.
I can
Sometimes
show
I have
you.
to catch the train.
I can show you how fast this car will accelerate in about a few minutes, but you can see that it's really slow, but it's getting you where you need to go, and this car is built to last. It's not made for going fast. Like newer cars are made for going fast, and they are made to throw away in a few years and get a new one. But this car will easily survive 40 years again. It's 40 years old, but it will easily survive that
Another 40 years.
another 40 years, yeah. I think this is a nice road. We go right here, and I can show you how it drives on gravel. I like it. The sound of gravel, of little stones. Yeah, it's smooth. There you have it. But yeah, like I
This
said,
house is nice.
it's unbreakable. Yeah.
So cute.
It's unbreakable, and yeah, you don't need to hurry. You can hear the sound on gravel. I like it. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's nice. And we're gonna do, like I said, a little acceleration test. Let's which way do we go? Do we do rock, paper, scissors again? Left or right?
I'm from the...
Yeah. Rock, paper, scissors. Yeah. Then we go right, and we're going to do a little acceleration test. Let's stand still here. And 3, 2, 1. There we go.
there's a car. Watch
That's
out.
not a problem.
No, watch out.
You can see now it sounds very fast, but it isn't very fast. Now we go uphill, so it's a bit slower, but
Now we're driving 60.
yeah, in 10 seconds it's at 60 kilometers per hour. So that's not pretty bad. I'm getting used to it. It's I never drive another car almost. I'm used to it.
You don't know any better.
No, but I can show it on the highway too, or on the. This is not a highway, but I can show you here too, and I can go 100, and that's pretty slow to get there. You can see it now in
Now
about
it's at 60,
yeah at about 10 seconds it's at 60,
70.
right now
80.
it's on 80, so that's in about 20 seconds I think, and it's pretty slow for a new car. But an old car, yeah, there are cars that easily pull up in about 10 seconds to 100 kilometers per hour, but this car isn't made for that, like I said, and I love it. There are a lot of people that don't like it, that don't like slow cars, but yeah, it's not a problem. It will get you everywhere, and it will get me everywhere my entire life until it, yeah, if it don't get banned in my country because it's bad for the earth, and that's I hope it's never getting banned or something to drive an old diesel. But
it's a pretty road with all the trees.
Yeah. As long if I can drive this car, I'm the happiest person on earth. And I hope you are that as well with your car that you drive. And yeah, every old car is beautiful. I don't like new cars, but pain in my neck. Yeah, the seats are pretty good, but I don't know.
You always.
I always have a little pain in my neck. So there's a dog on the bike. That's cute. Oh, that was very cute. We want a dog also. In our dream car, our S123 station, we want to travel. We want to see the world with us too.
I want a golden retriever, but it's very big. Because if we lay in bed together, then the dog also there, I don't think it will fit.
No, that's
he has
a bit
to
small.
sleep, or he has to sleep there. But
or we have to make a little W123 for the dog.
But if we have an open roof, we can hang
get a rope. And we can get a rope and
a little bed.
We can do it with the rope behind the car.
No.
In his own W123 station. Then we go. Then we go.
No, but if we have a big dog, he can't sleep in the car.
I think because
we don't have a lot of space.
There isn't a lot of space.
Or he has to sleep here in the front seat, or we have to get him a seat that can hang from the roof, you know.
There isn't a lot of space, but
at night when we were not driving, he can just lay in there.
Yeah.
And when we are driving, he can lay in the bed.
But it is the best, the most reliable car on earth.
See, there's also one.
Yeah, there's a W114, I think, or 115. But yeah, we want to go travel, like I said, and I'm the happiest person on earth. Then I think, right now I'm the happiest person on earth. Also, because I drive this and I like it. I can drive this every day and enjoy it as much as that I was enjoying it the first time I drove it. But normally you always need anything new, any new car to enjoy, to get a dopamine with a new car. And yeah, I think I can enjoy this car my entire life. And I like it because it's pretty reliable and that you can drive it your entire life. And I like that it is simple and just a good car, good simple car. And if I have my dream SW123 of a S123 station wagon, I think I will enjoy it very much. We put a wooden roof rack on it. Maybe the dog can sleep on the roof rack. And we're going to do a beautiful mattress on the back to sleep. And you don't need more, I think. You don't need all that fancy stuff. It has, I don't know if this is called air conditioning. Yeah, I think it's not air conditioning, but it's fresh air blowing into the car, the cabin, and you have a good heater, a very good heater in this car. You also have
than my parents' new car.
Yeah,
because it works fast.
It works too good, I think. The heater, and it's just a very luxurious car. The seats are pretty good, and everything's after 40 years old is still in good condition. So that's what I like about these cars. And do not forget to put your dog on the roof rack. No, I'm just kidding. And I hope you like this video. Leave a like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and bye until the next one.